In the episode before the last, one sister inquired about sneezing in the prayer. What should she do if one happened to sneeze in the prayer? The person who sneezes in the prayer is permitted to say Alhamdulillah in a sound that only himself could hear. So he would not say it out loud so that the rest of the audience would hear, especially because it is not permissible for anybody else to do what is known as tashmeet. At-tashmeet is the right of every Muslim whenever he sneezes upon those who hear him after sneezing say Alhamdulillah. But in the prayer, you're not allowed to say but whatever is prescribed of the adhkar. But because of this incident, somebody sneezed during the life of the Prophet ﷺ and he said Alhamdulillah, and Nabi ﷺ approved that. Because of that, it is permissible to say Alhamdulillah whenever you sneeze in the prayer. Outside the prayer, everyone who sneezes should say Alhamdulillah. And at Tashmeet, which is saying Yarhamukumullah, may Allah have mercy on you, for the person who sneezes whenever he says Alhamdulillah after sneezing. If he doesn't, or if he says that I did not hear him, then I do not tell him Yarhamukumullah.
Stay up to date with your favorite shows and scholars today. Huda TV, a light in every home.